That looks like a pool noodle. Where are you going?
To the pool.
How come you're not working on your truck?
Because I cleaned all morning and I'm going swimming with my friend.
Well, at least you have a friend to go swimming with. Well, I stay here and work on your truck. Your truck.
When I get back, I'll clean it. But right now, no, I'm going swimming. It's hot.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Gotta love Amazon. Debbie's headlights are in for her truck. These headlights, these aftermarket ones that she has, are so terrible. We are replacing these with these ones and they're supposed to be incredible. So looking forward to that upgrade. So I landed the box here at our site. They have basically a big outer box and an inner box. There they are. Look at this. They're gonna be nice. So, well put together package. That's good. So to remove the headlights, there are 4 bolts. One right there, there, up top, and one that's jammed in there. And that one there, I dropped the other side, mine fell out and hit the ground, which is nice. So that holds the headlights in. So let me show you what these headlights look like. That's the daytime running lights that are on there. And we start it. Yes, those things are bright. So, pretty nice. I like it.
We bought Huxley a new bed because we were worried about his hips. Makes a good foot holder. Oh, Huxley.
So I picked up some of these LED bed lights. They come with 3M tape, 2-sided tape already adhered to it. Just gonna test it on the battery to make sure that they work before I install it. Always a good idea. Hate to go through all the work and put them in and then find out that they don't work. These LED strip lights are awesome. I put them up underneath the bed edge there. I still have some wires to tack up in there, be able to get them up out of the way, but look at this at night, how bright they are. I'll show you the front edge too. That makes a world of difference from before. And I have a switch that turns them on, put right here, and off they go. I put them on with the park lights. I'll show you why. One, when your park light switch is on, you can turn your lights on just by here, but this is the best feature. When you hit the unlock button, like let's say you're parked and you lock your truck and you hit the unlock button, it gives you quite a bit of time here with these courtesy lights on, which means you can actually unload your stuff. And as soon as you actually, this thing times out, these lights will go off, but of course they're gonna come back on every time your park light's on. So when you're all done, you can just hit your switch, and once again, you lock this truck back up, tail lights go off, park lights go off. So it works well, I like it. Nice feature, huge upgrade.
And again this morning, that is how the new bed's being used. Or was being used as a pillow. Oh, Huxley. What you doing, Curtis?
Landscaping, leveling out sand for my wife.
What for?
Barbecue area and then our whole back area here. So
yeah,
we're excavating with a shovel.
So we're just leveling out this area. And then we got new carpets that are supposed to be in today, and they're all going down here. And we have a deck box that we can sit on.
More work.
More work. Just cracking the whip.
Yeah, she's a bit of a slave driver.
Sometimes. Well, everything is set up. We have our deck box for storage. We have our lounging fire pit area. And we have an outdoor kitchen area. The only thing we're still working on is this table. Need to get a tablecloth for it. All set up for a fire tonight. Christmas lights on. Christmas lights on the trees and on the trailer. Pretty sweet. Well, his back is on the blanket, but his sister uses it more. This dog, I tell you.
So one thing we have done here, we built this that it flips up. You see the one side's flipped up, the other side's down, and that way we had those big chairs here. We could flip them up and we could still swing the chair around, watch TV, whatever. But now though, we have realized that we have the small white chairs here. These aren't really wide enough. We don't like the fact that the way they flip anymore because it gives us a seam in the middle. So I purchased another full-length piece of acacia wood, but it's 25 inches wide too, so it's going to give us, I believe, it's another 6 inches of depth and one piece all the way across. And we're going to raise it up slightly so the chairs, these new white chairs, can slide underneath it. So again, making a little bit of a change, but I think it'll be much, much better than what we have.
Well, it would not be us if there wasn't some kind of construction, chaos, and Christmas lights every year. Curtis has demoed everything out, and now he is going to install the new countertop, new breakfast bar. Woohoo! Very excited.
Washing machine is running in the background, but hopefully that's not too annoying. So I have it done. So it is on there. It's 25 inches wide, 7 3/4 inches long, plus that little shelf over there that becomes our mechanical bay. But it is going to be so much better. We absolutely are going to love this.
And now it's just a pillow. Money well spent for his comfort.
Actually.
But look, he's very happy.
Actually.
So Curtis, you're coming off of a fast. How many days did you fast?
3.5.
How many hours?
84.5.
What are you eating?
An amazing breakfast. Best one I think I've had.
What is it?
Eggs.
Wow, just some eggs.
After 3.5 days without eating, it tastes amazing. It's food.
I can cook you anything right now and you'll think I'm a chef.
Probably.
Awesome. And he is actually sleeping on it. Totally crazy looking, but he's sleeping on it. Oh.